This morning, me and Ian have pulled over here to the Brass Tap restaurant. We looked at this a while back, did a couple of D scales. Number one was throwing codes. We looked it up on the pamphlet, see what the error code was being thrown. And A.O. Smith has sent us these two parts to install. And since I've never done it, Ian's never done it, we ought to have a good time with this today. I bought the laptop in case I need to look at some pictures. But I'm gonna set this little cube up, high speed somewhere. And let's see if we learn anything today. I could definitely tell you where I'll be eating lunch though in about 2 hours if we're here that long. I've been told by my partner Kurt they have fantastic food and even colder and tastier beer, which we'll have to save till the end of the day, but at least I know a good place to try. I asked James, he said it would take about 5 minutes to change the blower motor. Well, he was right. 3 screws, 1 plug, pop right out. Well, it just so happens my first A.O. Smith on-demand water heater repair was a success. Ian put the blower motor in it, we hooked up the circuit board, and it works fantastic. We just ran some water out of the service valve, came right on and went right to work and threw no error codes. I'm gonna lid this one up and call it done. Many thanks, Ian, many thanks.